Working on a workbench right now. Not bad. So what I did here is I made a hole for the drill press. So you can see the drill press is going all the way down and is going through the table. Right now I have it right here in the little crate. So this is where my little workbench is going to be. I have two. I have this one and I have another one that's right there by the compressor. But this is where all the tools is going to be, so this is where I'm going to be working it at. So I got it nice and leveled right now. So just got to make it permanent now. What I'm going to have to do is weld this bracket right here. Weld this bracket right here to the pole, because I'm not using the bottom anyway. So let's get to it. I just moved my toolbox over. It's just temporary. So I get a bigger toolbox. One that has the bench already in it. I have the chair holding it up. I can actually move the chair right now because I have the bracket there with the clamp. Alright guys, we all done. This is the turnout on it. Remember, I made the hole in the table for the drill press. I got my little workbench. Perfect. I even installed the vise. The bench grinder, I got two bench grinders. And my tiny little vise here. There's small little things to do. So the last thing I have to do now is run vacuum line from here to the sandblaster. So when I'm cutting the metal, I could just turn it on and it'll vacuum out the dust, so it doesn't make a mess. But there we go. Really neat. Almost done here. The other one is